Part 8 of the Tips for Teachers series, Student Analytics. Teachers can view an overall status report of their students' activity in the course. From the dashboard, select the course you wish to edit. From the Home page, select the People tab. Select the student you want to view. From the panel that expands on the right of the window, select the button labeled Analytics. The link redirects you to a set of color-coded graphs measuring various statistics, like the page views, participation, submission, and grades.